Hello people, my name is Malik. You're watching our YouTube channel Tech.Repair. We have Samsung Galaxy A70, A705 and I think A505. Same procedure. The charging port is not working. It's not charging. The port is damaged. So let's get into it and see the quickest we can replace it. First of all, you need to apply the heat on the edges around 110 degree. So once we have applied the heat, we're gonna have this little Stanley blade and we're just gonna try to get it into the back of this one. There's a couple of kind of precautionary things you need to watch. Once you bring it up to this point, try to lift a little bit, because I'll show you underneath. The more hot and the warm it is, it will be easier to take the back off. Every point, if you feel it that is cold, okay, we can also use this plastic card. But don't let it bring it too deep in, because you're gonna damage or crack maybe something, ribbons, flex. Okay, it's still very warm. So you see, that's when you're putting the blades, you don't want to cut these antennas like this. Okay, so now we are going to take these screws off, all of them. And they are all Phillips head screws. Okay, so all the screws are out. Now we're gonna take the SIM tray out. Okay, now we're gonna take the mid frame. So when you're taking the mid frame, try to go to the bottom side. You just need to get into okay. Once we have this, so once you have a one clip sort of out, then we're gonna run this Pry Tool. Okay, and make sure the surface is clean, there is no screw or anything. You can also use that little kind of foam thing. Now we're gonna disconnect is the battery. I'm gonna disconnect this part. Disconnect this ribbon. Disconnect this finger sensor. Now we're gonna disconnect this signal antenna, and this old charging port is out. Okay, it's like that. Now we have a new charging port. Simple. Feed it in. Connect this. Okay, so the LCD connector is connected, the finger scan and this long ribbon connected, and now we're gonna connect this little signal antenna. Okay, which is just at that point, and take your much time you can to plug this. And this ribbon need to go through this. Okay, so that's your antenna is connected. At this point, okay, the battery is now, we have connected the battery. At this point we will test it. So what we will do is we will connect to the type C charging port. Here we go. So it's charging, and now we're gonna try to build it back. And don't forget to subscribe or like the video. So we just gonna now at this point, you can also turn it on, test and check it, make sure everything is working. So just simple, put this mid frame back at there you go. Okay, so that's all, rim is fitted on. Now we're gonna put the screws back in, and we're gonna put the back on plate, and that should be good to go. Again, you are watching our Tech.Repair channel, and please do not forget to subscribe or like the video. Any comment, write, we will get back to you on that. Okay, now we're gonna put this SIM tray back in. Okay, test it one more time. Yeah, so the charging sign is coming up. Leave it connected for a few seconds. Yeah, so that should be okay. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this tray back in. So you can use 3 comedies double-sided tapes, comes like this, a little stripes, or you can also use this glue, but not a super glue. This is like an adhesive glue, and just a little bit. Okay, now we're gonna attach the back. These sort of rubber bands. Okay. So leave it like this for around 10-15 minutes, and then test it and check it, and that should good to go. Hope you like the video, and do subscribe please. Thank you for watching.